Hello, welcome back to Animal Crossing. Today is day 7. Day 7 of Animal Crossing. Alright, let's check the mailbox. I know it's definitely just gonna be the museum and the Happy Room Academy. Yeah. I hate the Happy Room Academy. But the museum. Why didn't I donate my fossils? Come on, man. I mean, why didn't I put my fossils in letters at least? Come on, man. Why didn't I do that? I could have at least put my fossils in letters. But I do got some new fossils to check out. Another, Apatotorso, Stegoskull, wrong button, and a Plesioneck. I don't think I've had any of these before, so that's good. Put these in letters so I can give them to the post office. Alright, let's check the bulletin board. Nope. It's been 2 days since there's last been anything on the bulletin board. Got our map. Of course. Let's go check Tom Nook's store real quick. Donate these oranges. I already have one of these. Hey, look. It's Bob's shirt. I think I'll get it. You have to use this month's tickets this month. What do you think? I don't know that? Okay, we're gonna sell all my stuff. I have 2 stacks of it now. Oh no, there's nothing else I'd like to sell. But I would like to move my May ticket over there. Thank you very much. Get out of my way. Hi, Tyler. Welcome to my 7th day of Animal Crossing. I think I already have this one. It's flying away too fast. I see. Okay, my money tree is somewhere up here. Or at least it should be. Huh. It's not here. I could have sworn I planted it up here. I was watching your Wii Sports stream last night. I'm trying to find out where I put that money rock at. Not money rock, but money tree. Walking down. Walking down. And then right here. This is where I planted it. But maybe it's not ready yet. Yeah, I don't think the Wii Remote and Nunchuck without Wii Motion Plus works very well. It's gone. Oh, there goes another one. God dang it, I gotta stop running near the water if I want to catch fish. A small bass. Never caught one of those before. Yeah, I could tell that you're streaming from a mobile device. I was almost too late to catch that fish. Crucian, I think I already have that in the museum. Where's there's my small bass. There's my regular sea bass. Sea bass are easy to catch. Probably catch like 10 of those. Man, I keep making them run. Okay, that one's on the other side, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it. Whatever. Let's get this rock. Nope. I feel like finding the money rock every day is the most stressful thing. Hey look, my tree's growing. This is, I don't know, I'm gonna catch it. I just gotta make the fish see it first. Alright. Okay. God dang it. I'm very bad at fishing. Oops, I accidentally picked up a seashell. Alright, let's go to the museum. Hello, Iggy. Need any help? Nope. Iggy does not need any help. What are you looking at? Okay, nobody needs any help so far. Oh yeah, let's check the police station. Ah, something's here. It's a shirt. A red bar shirt. God dang, I accidentally pressed B. Let's check out what it looks like. No, I like the other one better. Okay, Blathers. Donate an item. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's just do the small bass. Oh yeah. Oh man. Of course I donated it. There's nobody else on the game. Okay, well, I have nothing else I need to donate, so bye, Blathers. Let's check the fossil area. Ooh, man. This only needs one more thing. Uh-huh. Look at these. And other than that, there's not much in here. Let's go check out my small bass I caught. Somewhere in here. I think that's it right there. Pretty cool. Trying to cancel air. Oh man, another small bass. Oh, come on, man. It's running away from me. Look at it. It's taunting me. Another small bass. I'm so sad. Alright, well, Tom Nook is getting some fish. And this fish does not see it. I was too late. I was too late. Oh wait, rock. I don't think I've hit this one yet. Nothing. Oh man, no, I want to kick it up the hill. No. Whatever. I can't get it up the hill. It's just gonna roll back down. Ah, another gyroid. Cool. I don't know if I've hit this rock already. I did go into a building, I think. Yeah, the museum. Okay, Tom Nook. Hey, let's check my flowers out. I should buy some more flowers. Hello, Tom Nook. I would like to sell this. 6,000 bells. I'd like to buy some flowers. So I was thinking about planting some trees by the houses, the main houses, the player houses. I was thinking about planting some orange trees because there's not enough of them. So let's plant some orange trees. First, I gotta get some oranges. And good thing these ones are back, so I can easily get these ones. Alright, so we got this thing. Plant some trees around this. Luigi hating himself. I wonder if that's a good spot. Maybe. I guess I'll have to see. If it doesn't grow, whatever. It might be too close to the path. I didn't think about that. Oh, I guess I'll do it one away from the path then. That one away? Yeah. Let's try it next to the path. If it doesn't grow, it's fine. It's just oranges. They grow back. But if it's stuff like money trees, then it's not okay. Because they don't grow back. And you just wasted money. Let's see. This is a good spot. No, I didn't know that. on, man. So, I'm thinking about putting flowers like this around all 4 of the houses, even though I'm probably going to be the only one to ever have a house in this game. Let's go inside. I really need something to keep my May tickets in. Let's check the calendar. So it looks like there's no other holidays this month other than Mother's Day. I played on Mother's Day. But yeah, there's no more holidays this month until June 5th, which is the fishing tourney. Excited for the fishing tourney. You know how good I am at fishing. Got my 4, 5, and 7. And my balloon fight. And then there's Mr. Flamingo and the Master Sword. Pretty cool place. I like it. Aha! Free money. But it's right next to a tree, so I'm not planning. I am not planning that money. Get out of here. So, there's no shovel in the store today. Tomorrow, I'm going to try to find a glowing spot, and then I'm going to plant a shovel. Because then it plants, it grows a golden tree, and you can get the golden shovel that way. God. Pretty cool, right? This is the easiest game to get the golden shovel in. Aha, I found it. $65,000. What do you want? Is that a new person? No. I think they've always been here. You. Need anything? Okay, well, let's see if that ball's still down here. No. No. No, get back here. No! I don't think I'll ever be able to get this ball up there. I need to somehow get this ball up there. I'm gonna hit it. Hit it. Ooh. Ooh, I have an idea. Okay. So. Yes, this is the best idea ever. So I do this. And then I hit it. Why did I think that would work? Dang it! Get back here! Okay, so just do this. Oops. This. Alright. I'm just gonna line the bottom here with holes. Actually, no. Okay. And go. Yes! Okay, this is a good idea. Okay, we get one right here. And one right here. I don't know why I'm trying so hard to get this ball up this hill. Go. Go. No! Oh, man. Can I just lead you to the ball? Check it out, I dug up a fossil right in front of your house. Forget this ball, seriously. I'm done with it. Yes, I have. I have it on my computer. It doesn't run very well. Huh. Ghost card. Yeah, I think I've heard of that before. I don't know if it's real or not. Because I've only played it once, because my computer cannot handle it. Oh, snap. Ah, god dang it. I didn't know that there was bees. I have been stunned. There's too many trees right here. I heard that money sound. So much money. It says I have 3 viewers. More money. More money. 3 trees in a row? Another tree? Wow. Okay. More oranges. I need to start looking at the trees I'm shaking. This is probably really boring, watching me shake trees. And I'm gonna be honest, this is really boring. I'm doing it for a reason. And it's because I need to catch a bee. I can't do it. I don't know how to do it. I've been stung again. Dang it. What are you doing? Yeah, thanks for the advice. I did not mean to do that. Stop hitting it. Alright. I need work. Alright, time to get this Pokemon Pikachu back. I need to stop pressing B so much. I actually meant... God dang it. Oh, now it's something different, huh? Consider it done. Which one's Biddy? There. Oh man, it's that new one. I heard a voice in the house. I should probably go check it out. You, give the Game Boy back. I do not like you. Oh, stuck. Alright. I might have to get off soon, so after I do this, I'm just gonna get off. So I hear a lot of noise coming from the kitchen area. Where are you, Daisy? Are you somewhere else? Where did Daisy go? I hate it whenever you get something. Like, once you get their thing, they just vanish. Like, not where you were. Where did you go? Where's Daisy's house? Right here? Okay. Are you over here? Did you sneak back over here? No. Where the heck is Daisy at? I don't know where the heck Daisy went. She just vanished. Well, maybe she's up here. Because sometimes they like to teleport on top of cliffs. Yep. I accidentally caught a butterfly. Oh man, more stationery? I don't want any more stationery. Okay, let's go get these letters to the post office. And then I'm just gonna get off. I can't believe I accidentally caught a butterfly while trying to talk to Daisy. Mail a letter. Mail. Now it's the annoying part of pressing the same button over and over again. No. Alright, well, I guess I'll sell these oranges tomorrow. I'm ready to get off. Oh yeah, let's check these shirts out. Vertigo shirt and green tie-dye. Let's check them out. I used to have this on my old save, but no. And no. I like my old one. Well, this is not my old one, but this is my current one. I like this one more, okay? Let's go sell some stuff, Tom, like, before I get off, I guess. $867 bells. Alright, time to go home. Save. It looks like that's it for today. I'll be back tomorrow. Goodbye.